This video is sponsored by DistroKid. More on that in just a minute. Let's remake Fake by Conan Gray and Lauv in 1 hour. People that you hate, so fake. I'll show you some guitar recording techniques, how to make an 808 and a sub bass work together, and how to get those lush backing vocals you hear in this track. Shout out to Burfin for suggesting this track, and if you have any suggestions, let me know down below. It's like clockwork. I get my timer ready and the nerves start hitting. 3, 2, 1, go. Key chords and BPM. Let's find the key by listening to the vocal. How's that video angle? G sharp, G sharp, A, G, F sharp, E major. Key, E major, E major. Chords, chords, chords. Da 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 da. A major, da 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 da. E major, E major and A major. BPM, BPM. Let's click along to the track. You hate, you're so fake. Yeah. BPM 83. I love that absolute vibe. Now, let me tell you about DistroKid. Have you ever wanted to put your music on Spotify, Apple Music, and maybe even TikTok? Well, DistroKid helps you do just that. For a yearly fee, you can upload as many tracks as you want. Yes, literally unlimited amounts. Also, have you ever wanted a pre-save link for your track before it goes live? Well, DistroKid HyperFollow is the thing for you. DistroKid HyperFollow is a completely free tool for anyone who uses DistroKid. It allows you to set up a pre-save link the instant you upload your track to DistroKid, and on release day, you'll have no need to post multiple links because DistroKid HyperFollow will send your fans to an all-in-one page that you can customize to include all your social medias, YouTube, Bandcamp, and of course, all the streaming platforms. If you like the sound of that, you can sign up to DistroKid with 7% off using my referral link, which is at the top of the description down below. And I'll get a kickback from that as well, so you'll be helping me and the channel out. Get the most out of your release days with DistroKid HyperFollow. All right, 6 minutes, 49 seconds. That's good progress. Let's record the first guitar out the left, second guitar out the right, using this SM7B. Recording it with a Plectrum might help a lot. One at the right, same kind of thing. That was very painful. Guitars are so sore. Fingers are in bits. Claws for hands. Sounds so much better. Just like proper percussion. Only me try. 24 minutes, 40 seconds. That took so long. And it took a lot of pain. Let's try our drums next. Let's get a nice chesty kick. Splice. Drums, kicks. Lovely. Throw the count in. Got a... And then that's our 2-bar pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. We don't go 1, 2 the second time around, but we do on the and of 3 and the and of 4. Gorgeous. Marquee tool, Command J, we can make one new kick. Let me just turn it down for the minute. A little bit of sausage fattener. Let's make it gentle. Lovely. Splice, drums. Well, I wonder if there's a cajon. Search cajon. It's a real snarey cajon. Does that even make sense? The snare at the end of that sounds something good. That's one. How about this guy as well? Got to turn those way down though. There you go. They've got a lot of reverb. Yeah, that's all right. So this is on the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Marquee tool that. Command or across. Yeah. Make this second guy hit a bit later. Yeah, let's just get another sound and throw it in. So we get a snare with nice real rattle. Go with this count and have it really late. Yeah, pretty sweet. That's the marquee tool again. Nice. That count snare is quieter than the cajon sounds. Kind of a slap. It's the really audible one because it's later than the other snare hits. There's kicks and snares after 37 minutes, 27 seconds. Oh, we're going so slow today. Can you tell it's been a few weeks since I've done a live remake, 100 time pressure. Been all Logic Pro tips recently. That's what I'm in the mood. Try and get a trap hi-hat. Need a sample. Good, let's go with this one. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Copy those hi-hats across. And I'm going to have a little bit of bounce to them just by putting a sidechain to make it feel real. Because if they're just, there's lifeless. You can do this with velocity as well. This sidechain is letting the first one, so it's tat, 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 which would be what you're kind of doing if you're a real drummer. I think these hats are to the left. There's another hat that goes, cha. Let's find that guy another hat. Ooh, that guy's kind of nice. And I don't think he's fully out to the right, but he is a bit out. And here you're feeling syncopation. Syncopation is so important for getting that groove, that vibe. You know when people bob or vibe to it? The syncopation is when people move up and then you move your head down on the upbeat. Get that vibe. There's a little trap snare. Let's see if we can find a trap snare. Trappy. Oh, that sounds really good. There we go. Sweet. Let's leave the drums there. 46 minutes, 42 seconds. It's running tight now. Software instrument. Sampler. Zac 1. So that's an 808 and give it more release. Saturation, that's the one I wanted. Cool. So we've got a E. A little bit longer release, I think. I tell you what could be really cool. Having the 808 and the sub bass and then sidechain them so that the sub bass fills in the empty space when the 808 dies down. Let's do that. I'll call it 808 Angry Compressor. Instrument track, where are you? There we go. Cool. Okay, that's the bass. We have a little bit of work to do on it in the mixing stage, but that's a start. 57 minutes, 30 seconds. Vocal time. I don't really know what to sing instead of the F word here. You're so effing fake. Is that really cringe? Oh, and I need to cut off the end here. Erase. Vocal 1. Here we go. Get the lyrics up. Baby, you're so fake. You don't mean a single thing you say. At the other side. You don't mean a single thing you say. And that's time and a few bit of change. We're flying. No time to lose. And same one down the center. If you got a problem, say it to my face. Cool. Nice. Now we need some of these up the octave as well. Baby, you're so... This is gonna test my range now. You don't mean a single thing you say. Oh, that's rough. Need some water. Oh, I'm out of water. Okay. We can do this. At the other side, high vocal. If we got a problem, say it to my face. How does that sound? I need to tune these vocals now to make sure they're not wobbling around in the flex pitch. When they're too out of tune, that it's really annoying. Okay, with this guy, Command A, select them all, double click to tune them, Q, and we're good to go. Same again. So if we click on the track, Command A, double click, Q. Let's sing some harmonies. The call and response. We'll put them out. Why? Let me listen to it. What does it go like again? Okay, let's go for that. You're so fake. Try and get these nice and tidy, and then we can copy those across. And then you're so fake. Yeah, very good. Next one. Ooh, there's a lot of reverb in these ones. Probably dry those up a little bit. And we'll pan these differently. More vocals. Cool. Is that how it sounds? It's very reverberated. Let me turn that down. Fake. Okay, let's do some of those You're So Fakes. People that you hate. You're so fake. 1. Hey, you're so fake. You're so fake. Wow, I was really out of tune, sorry. You're so fake. You're so fake. Wow, I'm really out of tune in these ones. Fake. Let's tune those really quickly. Especially the first few ones, and then maybe we can get away with some of them not being perfectly in tune. It might sound a bit more nice. It's far too many reverbs. Wowzer, he likes reverb. People that you hate. You're so fake. Nice. Go on, one more double. Need that upper vocal, upper octave down the middle as well, maybe. Let's give it a go. You don't mean a single thing you say. Sweet. Do you like those BVs? They're pretty tasty, aren't they? We give them a little bit more beef. Turn them up just a wee bit. Thing you say. Who's having an absolute laugh? Oh, we never put in the piano. Oopsie. Yeah, in the last chorus, you can hear the piano very clearly, can't you? That's lovely. A quick addictive keys piano, and we're onto our lead vocal life. Cool. Here we go. If I press A here and I check our sustain, make sure our sustain is coming off on the downbeat here. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to hit the like, subscribe, and bell notification button so you can see more videos just like this. I also stream this live over on Twitch, so if you want to ask me any particular questions or see these remakes in more detail, that's the place to go. Links are down below. All right, well, we haven't listened to it. Well, sing it live. Sure to be rude not to. Here we go, take 20. Baby, you're so fake. You don't mean a single thing you say. If we got a problem, say it to my face. You're just like the people that you hate. You're so fake. When the real you is back, I'll pick up my phone. On a scale from 0 to love, how love was that? I'm sorry, guys.